Today we'll be discussing 7 must-have items that you need on a juice fast that makes the process easy and convenient, and it gives you a bang for your buck. So let's get into item number 1. Kitchen towels. Now, although kitchen towels are a nice aesthetic for the kitchen, when you actually use them, it makes a huge difference. When I initially got on this juice fast, I found myself using paper towels more frequently in the cleanup process, even with wiping up spills. It was just entirely too much. And so I decided to go out and purchase some kitchen towels, and it has changed my life. It's beneficial because you can simply throw them in the washer and use them again, and also they last up to 2 years. Imagine if you buy more than one pair, you'll always have a clean pair on deck. You don't have to wash them frequently. You can just load them up and wash them once a week or however long you want to wait in that process, and it will make a huge difference on your journey. And so I highly recommend using kitchen towels because, as I mentioned, very nice aesthetic for the kitchen, but also very durable, and it makes the juicing process much easier. Let's get into item number 2. Cutting board. Now, I know most of you guys already have this because it's typically a staple in the kitchen. However, for those who do not, go out and purchase you a cutting board because you do not want to ruin your counters. And also, when you're juicing and you're cutting up things like pineapples, oranges, watermelons, you want to make that process, that cleanup process, simple, because usually when you cut up on your counters, the juice tends to run wild. But when you're cutting on a cutting board, all the juice tends to just be on the cutting board. So it makes simply wiping it down an easier process. So definitely go out and purchase you a cutting board and make this a little bit more easier for you. Leak protection trash bags. I had to learn this the hard way. I would buy cheaper trash bags, and I found myself having to clean up even more because the peels from the watermelon, the pineapple, the oranges, whatever fruit I was cutting up, the papayas, I found that the water just was settling at the bottom. So when I would take out the trash, I would have all of this water in my trash can, across my floor when I would take my trash out, and then it was adding to that cleanup process. I was mopping, I was washing out my trash can because it was getting a lot of nets around it because of the water that was draining from the fruit, or the juice that was draining from the fruit. So to make this a little bit more easier for you, save you some time and energy, definitely go out and purchase you some quality leak protection trash bags. It will change your life. It will make cleaning a breeze. A strainer. It makes a major difference having a strainer because when you pour your juice in, you're able to capture all of that excess pulp that your juicer wasn't able to capture. A major benefit for my people with a lower quality juicer. Sometimes you feel the need to buy a new juicer or feeling the need to invest in a high quality one because the lower quality juicers tend to allow a lot of pulp to come through, but that is your solution. A strainer is your solution. Do not go out and purchase a high quality juicer, especially if it is not in your budget. I'm all about saving money, and you can save a lot of money just by using the juicer that you have or that you can afford and getting you a strainer from Target. If you want to invest in something, invest $20 in a nice strainer. Usually they run less than that, but I'm just at Tops, never know. Tops, get you a nice strainer. It's under $20 and strain your juice so that process for you is more convenient, and it feels like you are able to continue on your juice fast without feeling the need to purchase a new juicer because you don't need it. There are ways around everything, and the strainer is one of the ways around having to buy a new high quality juicer because we're all about saving money and making this process easy. Now, some of you guys will hate me for this, but I am going to get right into it. And item number 5 is a knife set. Now, I got my knife set from Williams-Sonoma, and my set was about $3.99, but I really saved up for it because I found myself back and forth from Target, buying a new knife set, buying a knife sharpener, and I just really wanted to invest in a nice knife set, like something that will last me for a lifetime, something that's durable, something that makes cutting up pineapples and watermelons feel like I'm just literally cutting up nothing. I love that, and I always wanted that, so that was something that I decided to save up for. However, if you have real dull knives, I advise you to either go out and purchase a new knife set or knife sharpener, or either just purchase one knife, which is way less. Like if you buy a high quality knife, even though my set was $3.99, if you just buy one knife, it could be like $74, $75, or you can buy one knife from Target. Their knives are great as well. I just don't prefer using them anymore. And because I was able to buy my set from Williams-Sonoma, but prior to getting my set from Williams-Sonoma, I definitely was purchasing my knives from Target. And I think a set at the most was like $69. So buying just one knife, I think ran me close to $30 or maybe a little bit under $30. So whatever falls in your budget, I am not trying to convince you guys to go to Williams-Sonoma. They are expensive, let me tell you. But it was something that I saved up for, something that I really, really wanted, because I'm always in the kitchen. And even after my 90 days are up, I am still going to be juicing. So I felt the need to purchase a nice knife set that's going to last me for a lifetime, literally. So go out and make sure you have a knife that can really get the job done so that you don't feel like you're putting in so much energy trying to cut up your fruits and vegetables. Item number 6 is the 64-ounce mason jars. It is a space saver in your refrigerator. When I first started juicing, I would have all of these containers on my counter and then have to move all of these things around in my refrigerator so that I could fit them in. I typically take in a little over a gallon a day of juice. And so being able to use less containers for more juice is a win overall. I love that. And that's why I went out and purchased the 64-ounce mason jars. At first, I never even knew they existed. That's the crazy part. But when I found out about them, I was super ecstatic about it because it was only $5 and something a piece. So definitely saving money as well in that process. And so having to invest in all of these containers and not having enough space in your refrigerator, I mean, it sucks. So having something that's a little bit more convenient, a space saver, makes a huge difference. So go out and purchase the 64-ounce mason jars. You can find them at Walmart and Target. They should have it. You should not have to worry about storing your juices or moving things around in your refrigerator because you have all of these different containers. Save you some time, save you some energy, but most importantly, save you some room in your refrigerator. Number 7, last but not least, is the palm dish brush. It is essential for cleaning your filter basket. Initially, I will use the kitchen cloth to clean the filter basket, which is a part of the juicer that takes the longest to clean. And I would invest all of this time into cleaning that filter basket. And I found having the palm dish brush definitely shorten that time frame. And so I highly recommend you go out and purchase the palm dish brush because it works and it gets through all of the filter holes in your filter basket and it cleans out all of that excess pulp. And so definitely go out and purchase it. You can find it at Walmart or Target. It will be a time saver. So go out and purchase you the palm dish brush and save more time while juicing. I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope some of these tips help you guys out a lot. If it didn't, please let me know so that I can figure out what it is that you guys find more convenient in this journey. And I will definitely be more than glad to share with everyone else. But I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that it helps you a lot. I wish you the best on your juice fast journey if you are considering embarking on a juice fast journey. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy your day. Bye.